Hello everyone, today we will see difference between linear equation and quadratic equation. First of all, we will see what is the standard form of linear equation. So standard form of linear equation is ax plus b equal to 0. In this equation, the power of variable x is a variable and a is the coefficient of x and b is the constant term. So if the power of variable is 1, then this is called linear equation. Okay, while in case of quadratic equation, the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Okay, so in this power of variable is 2. Power and degree both things are same. So if the degree of variable is 2 or power of variable is 2, then this is called quadratic equation. Whereas if power of variable is 1 or degree is 1, then this is called linear equation. Now we will see how to calculate value of x. So value of x is called, first of all, it is called value of x. We can also call it roots of x, or we can also call it 0 of x. So don't confuse with the three terms. These three are equal. Whether it may be value of x, it may be root, or it may be 0. So first of all, we will see the solution of ax plus b equal to 0. How to solve this equation, how to get value of x. So ax is plus b equal to 0. This is a standard form of linear equation. If we will write only ax plus b, then this is not equation. We have to write equal to 0, then it become equation. So solution of this equation, it will be ax is equal to plus sign, it will go into RHS, it become minus b. Then x is equal to a is multiplied with x, so when it will go into RHS, it will be divided by a. So x is equal to minus b upon a. This a it will be here. So this is a value of x or root of x or 0 of x. So don't confuse with this term. But in case of quadratic equation, it is easy to solve linear equation. Quadratic equation, there are two ways to solve. First, we can solve it by the formula. And second, we can solve it by the factorization method. Now we will see both the example how to solve. Suppose we are writing an equation x square plus 9x plus 8. This is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Why quadratic equation? Because here power of variable x is 2. Power is 2 or degree is 2. So this is a quadratic equation. Now we will solve it first by the formula. What is the formula? Here in this constant x power coefficient of x square is a. So when comparing it with the standard equation I am writing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. When compare this equation with the standard equation, we get value of a is equal to 1. Then value of b is equal to 9, and value of c is 8. Okay, so by comparison we get three values a, b, c. Now what is the standard formula? Formula to calculate root of quadratic equation or value of x, because power of variable is 2. So we get 2 root of the equation or 2 value of x or 2 zeros. So 2 values we will get. So how we will get? Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We have to put value of a, b, c in this equation. So on putting the value of b is 9. So minus b, that means minus 9 plus minus under root b square. What is the square of b? Square of b is 9 square. 9 square, it will be 9 nines are 81. Minus 4a into c. What is a? A is 1 and c is 8 upon 2a. 2a is 1. Then now we will solve this equation. Minus 9 plus minus under root 81 minus 4 into 8. 4 into 8, it will be 32 upon 2. Now further solving this equation, minus 9 plus minus under root 81 minus 32, it will be 49 upon 2. Now 49, how we will solve 49? 49, it can be written 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 upon 2. So minus 9 plus minus, now it can be written 7 into 7, that means 7 square upon 2. We know that square and root, it will be cancel out, so we will get minus 9 plus minus 7. This square and root, it will be cancelled by 2. So we get two values of x. This is a value of x we are calculating. So on putting first plus sign, so we get x is equal to minus 9 plus 7 upon 2. And second value on putting x is equal to minus sign. So 7 minus 9 upon 2. On solving it, we will get minus 9 plus 7, it will be equal to minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2, that means 2 ones are 2. So minus 1. One value of x we get minus 1. Other value minus 9 and minus 7, it will be minus 16. Minus 16 upon 2, that means 2 8 is 16, minus 8. So here we get two values of x because we have a quadratic equation and we know that we get two value of x or two zeros or two roots. Both things are equal. So by the formula we can calculate this value. And what is the other way? Other way is the factorization method. Now how to solve by the factorization method? Now I am solving here. By the factorization we will solve it. What is our standard equation? Standard equation we have already written, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we are solving equation x square plus 9x plus 8 equal to 0. Now what we will do, we will calculate factor of this 8. Here coefficient of x square is 1, that means a is 1. So 8 into 1, it will be 8 only. So we will find, first of all we will find factors of 8. How we will find factors of 8? I am calculating here. Now the other method is factorization method. So now we will calculate value of x using factorization method. First we will calculate factors of 8. How we will calculate factors of 8? 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 1, it will equal to 8. And if we will do 8 plus 1, it will equal to 9. So multiplication of factors, it should be like this, that multiplication of this and addition, it should be equal. So on multiplying 8 into 1, we get 8. On adding 8 plus 1, we get value of b, that means 9. So now we will write it x square plus 9x, we can write it 8x plus x. Because 8x plus x, it will be 9x, and 8 into 1 we will do, then it will be 8 is equal to 0. Now we will take common from this two term, we can take x. So x plus 8. Now from here we get only, nothing is common, so we will take only one common. So x plus 8 equal to 0. Now in the both thing we can take 8 plus x plus 8 as a common, and x plus 1 it left is equal to 0. Now we will put equal to 0. X plus 8 equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus 8, and x plus 1 next term is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. So same value of x we get as we have using the formula we have calculated factorization method. We get two values of x. X is equal to minus 1 and minus 8, and same value we can solve by the factorization method. So using both method, you can calculate value of x or root of x or zeros of x, that means roots of quadratic equation also. Thank you so much for watching my video.